Yeah, we got the goods.
Yeah. Vámonos.
Wow, listo. Ya está. ¿Cómo se llama este?
We're having a party.
Cajuela. This is cooking in Ciudad de Mexico.
I've heard two things about Xochimilco. The first is that it's haunted. The second is that it's a place to have a good time.
Yes. Okay, fine. Let's do it.
We need to be.
Okay. See.
We need to be in the
vibe.
Okay. Oh, I love the one with the sunflower.
Okay, one for everybody.
Well, why don't you choose one for us? That's cute.
Oh, okay.
Algo bonito. 120 una melodía de abritas. 120 pesos por song. Guantanamera.
No, gracias.
Gracias.
Hey, we're here. We're here in Xochimilco. We've brought our own snacks, we brought our own drinks, and we're also going to buy snacks and drinks from all of the little boats that are coming around to sell different things. And it's a place to have a party on a Sunday.
So we already found it.
Yeah, we bought our flower crowns. We're in a party mood. So how did this place come to be? What's the history of Xochimilco?
This is a very interesting story, indeed. Because in the first times, you can imagine that this was just water. Therefore, it was El Lago de Texcoco,
Like Lake of Texcoco.
See, still we have it, but it's very little one. And back in those days, what they had to do for literally gaining territory to the water, as we have it as an example in the Netherlands, they did this kind of work called chinampa. It's a technique using very long pieces of wood they get into the bottom of the lake, and then putting a lot of soil and different materials to make
Natural materials like
Yes.
twigs and leaves,
Yes,
maybe.
must be something like that.
Yeah.
But for doing this kind of parts of islands, created islands that we see now.
Okay, so we ordered a bunch of food from a
That's a
boat,
lot, I
and yeah, we ordered a lot. We have fried quesadillas, mole, frijoles, emichote, sopes.
¿La ayudas?
No, that's just tortillas.
Tortillas?
This is huaraches.
Borrachas. Okay, so we're about to have an amazing feast and keep the party going.
This delicious meal was made better by the beers, and we ate happily as we headed back to the dock.
Well, we had the best time ever, and now Guido's waiting for us. We still have a lot to drink, so maybe we'll have a party later tonight or something. But yeah, the 2-hour trip is fun, but 3 hours is better, and I think we could have handled the 5 hours, but next time. So we left some things to explore. Now, vamos, chicas, ¿sí?
Me llamo César, soy su ramero y soy su guía de viaje. ¿Vale?
Hi, César.